At KUSI.com/PPR, you can see full-length features. Features like the Jerome's Furniture Sounds of the Game. This week, it's modern-day CJ Verdell wearing the wire. The Prep Pigskin Report will be right back after these commercial words.
Have some fun. Hey, smile when you're doing it. Smile when you're doing it. No time to celebrate, man. It's strictly business.
What?
Break one, all right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get one.
Oh, yeah.
I got adrenaline pumping right now, so I can't really feel what's hurting, but I know something is.
The Red Sea parted for you right there, huh?
I know. I was wild.